And we're back to learning Inkscape in here day 127. Let me show the spray width. So how does the width affect the spray tool? Let me create an element here and I select it. Then I use the first mode for copies and I adjust the width. And you can already see 15 and 50. There is a difference in the distribution. Obviously the circle here gets bigger of the tool. Let me go to 100 here on the left and then only 1 on the right. And now it becomes very clear what it does. So it defines the area in which the copies are sprayed. So if you want to have more like a random distribution, go higher. And if you need a very specific one, then go lower with the width. So it's not about the size or the width of the element that's sprayed. It's about the size of the area that's affected. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.